Samsung has made a significant choice that will have a profound impact on the future of the Galaxy S, Galaxy Z, Galaxy A, and even their smart TV series. Since the global pandemic, the smartphone industry has seen significant upheaval, and given the current state of the economy and inflation, things are becoming very difficult. Some firms are essentially ceasing operations entirely. However, there was a 2% decline, and as 2023 progresses with more competition entering the market, the numbers might likely decline even more. For Samsung, the Galaxy S23 series sold rather well, maintaining Samsung's top spot as the global leader in terms of overall shipments. So, taking everything into account, Samsung ordered a complete business revision and recently held global meetings to re-evaluate the whole company and develop a plan to reduce losses. Anything could happen, but let's hear it from the man in charge of Samsung these days, Mr. T.M. Rowe. His most recent interview has revealed some of those plans or ideas, and one of those plans could include a new range of innovative Galaxy products that will give birth to an entirely new possibility and user experience not only through hardware innovation but also through AI and software that only Samsung can provide. Let's start with the hardware aspect. We are all aware that Samsung has been teasing and showcasing its multi-fold devices for a while now. If all goes according to plan, 2024 may be the year when these devices begin to appear on the market. Additionally, there are rumors about plans for the Flip Ultra and Fold Ultra devices, which would include top-notch cameras and an even more modern design. It will be quite fascinating to watch how Samsung fits these smartphones into their range. Don't be shocked if certain devices are discontinued next year, just like they did with the Galaxy A74. As previously mentioned, AI will increasingly play a significant role in the software experience on smartphones. To that end, Samsung is making significant investments in both hardware and cash to ensure that the Galaxy S24 series and other Samsung devices will have the best AI tools available. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.